Hi everyone, welcome to Stocks Elixir. Hi everyone, welcome to Stocks Elixir. Today I am going to show you a simple strategy where you can make a consistent returns monthly through trading in intraday or positional. Let's move to the chart and I will show you the setup. Okay, this is Nifty Futures January series 2020 and it's a 5-minute chart. In this chart, let's apply a moving average. Make the color blue and the period 200 and let's keep the type simple. Now here is the strategy. It's a very simple strategy. Okay, it can be traded in intraday or positional, depends upon your capabilities. Okay, the strategy is that whenever the strategy is simple. Whenever the candle breaks 200 SMA and closes above it, the next candle has to break the previous breakout candle's high, so that becomes the entry point. Okay, I repeat it once again. Whenever the candle breaks above the 200 SMA and closes above it, the next candle or any other candle that should break the breakout candle's high, so that becomes the entry point or the buy, and the stop loss for this entry is the recent support. Here the recent support is this one, 12,271. Okay, and the target is 1:1 or 1:2. Okay, and the target is 1:1 or 1:2, whichever is comfortable for you, you can keep it. Okay, this is a simple setup. I think you understand. Let's see where we got a buy or sell signal. On December 26th there is no trade, but on December 24th we have a trade. See here, Nifty opened above 200 SMA. Here the candle closed below 200 SMA, which indicates a bearish setup, and our sell got triggered in this candle. Once the sell got triggered, our stop loss should be the resistance points. In this our resistance point is here. See, this is the resistance and this is the resistance, and this is a strong resistance. So our stop loss should be around 12,344. Okay, this is the resistance and the stop loss, and our target should be 1:1 or 1:2. In this scenario, both the target has been easily achieved. Okay, let's look at the previous days. 23rd December. Here the Nifty opened below 200 SMA and closed above 200 SMA. One can enter for a buy above this candle, but I would prefer not to enter this candle, because if you look at the previous days, the Nifty is facing a strong resistance, and you can see 1, 2, 3 times, and so here the Nifty has gone up to the same level of the resistance zone and reversed back. So according to the price action, it's not a good trade to enter. I would rather neglect this trade instead of buying it, and look for a pullback entry or a breakout sell. For me, my trade setup came here at 115, which is a bearish setup, and this candle has broke the 200 SMA and closed below it, which is a good sell. So we can enter for a sell setup below this candle's low, and the stop loss should be the here resistance, which is this one, because this is a good resistance. Once, twice, thrice it has came to the same levels and reversed from there. So this is a good strong resistance which can be a good stop loss for us, and the target is 1:1 or 1:2 according to your capabilities. Okay, here the Nifty future gave 1:2 returns. After that it bounced back and closed above 200 SMA. So one can enter for a buy above this candle's high and hold it till the end, or can carry it for the next day, which is BTST call, which depends upon your capabilities. Okay, so this setup can be traded in intraday or position also. The rule is simple: whenever the 200 SMA gets broken downside, it's a bearish setup and you can hold it for 1:1 or 1:2 target, or you can hold it for position also. It depends on your capabilities. Those who are trading Nifty futures can hold it with a trailing stop loss for this beautiful returns. If you are an option trader, I would say to book according to your comfortability, because those who trade in weekly options or monthly options should book according to your comfortability as the options get decayed. Also, you can try to enter whenever the Nifty touches or takes support near the 200 SMA. That is also a good setup. Okay, those are positional traders can enter it and hold it for 3 to 5 days. Let's see my positional setup here. On 17th December, as you can see, the stock opened above 200 SMA. Okay, the previous day close was above 200 SMA. So the first candle itself becomes our entry point. Those who want to enter in the first candle can enter here, or can wait for this candle high to be broken, and which is the second candle, and can enter here at around range of 12160. Yeah, 12160 range. See, this is a position trade. So once you entered here, the Nifty gave a beautiful rally of around, let's see once again, around 12,350. Let's take it as 12,300. Okay, so let's take a calculator and calculate. The entry point is around 11,000, sorry, 12,160. 12,160. Yes, it is around 1,300 is equal to 140. So fine. So 10,500 is the profit for 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's take it for 3 days. If you still rally it, you could get around 12,325 or 12,350. Let's take it as 12,010. So 4 days, you get a profit of 10,500. That's a beautiful returns. This can vary from futures to options. So in futures, there is no time decay, so you can make a good profit. In options, there is a time decay, so one should look for safe profit bookings whenever they get a pullback, or if Nifty gives a bounce from 200 SMA or takes a support. Whenever the Nifty takes a support and bounce back from 200 SMA, one can enter there also. Those who trade in options, that is also a good trade. Okay, and let's look out for the another trade here for position, which is occurring at 11th December, and this candle has given a good breakout above 200 SMA. So this candle high would be our entry point, which gets triggered in the next candle. See, it got triggered at 11,993, 995 range, and gave a good rally of 12,150. Okay, so this is a good profit. 12,150 minus 11,990 is equal to 160 points. That's good point. That's good points. So for a single lot you will get almost 12,000 rupees profit, not bad. Okay, this is just in the December month series. Okay, we have not gone to November still. This is just a new December month series, and we have already made around range of 20 to 25,000 profit. As you can see on December 6th, the Nifty gave a sell signal by closing below 200 SMA. This is our sell signal because this was the candle that closed below 200 SMA, and the next candle got triggered here. So from here our sell gets initiated, and our stop loss should be the resistance, which is our resistance is this one. This is the stop loss. See, once the sell got triggered, it gave a 1:2 target for intraday traders who would prefer to book on the that day itself. For positional traders who would hold the Nifty with a trailing stop loss would have made much more profit. Around let's look at the low of this candle, something like 911, 923, like that. Okay, let's take the calculator and see. Our entry is at 12,000. Let's take 12,088. 88 minus, let's assume we book the profit around this range at 11,950. 11,950. So it's 138 points. Let's calculate for one lot. It becomes 10,350. Wow, that's a good profit. See guys, it's almost 10,350 plus the previous two profits, which is around 30 to 35,000. Not bad. We are yet to complete the December series, and we have got still many trades to the left. Here on 5th December we got a good support and bounce trade, which is this one. Okay, this is the candle which gave a bounce from the 200 SMA, and this candle side would be our entry point, which is 12,107, and the next candle got triggered, and our stop loss would be the previous support. For this, our previous support will be this one, around 12,072. Why this range? See, this too has become the resistance, here support, and here 2-3 times support, and here once resistance. So this acts as a major support. This will be our support zone. So this becomes the stop loss, which is holding as a good support. Okay, so once we get entered here, the stock came a little down and once again took a support at 200 SMA and bounced back and rallied for, I think, maybe 1:1. The target has been achieved. Sometimes you get 1:1, sometimes you get 1:2. You should be flexible to book whichever is comfortable. Instead of making loss, you should come out with whatever the profit we get. Once again on 4th December we got a good buy trade above this candle. High will be the buy, and which is this one, 12,114. So buy got triggered here, and we got a 1% target, 1:1. Not bad. Those who are position traders can hold for the next day with a trailing stop loss as usual. Here the Nifty came near to 200 SMA but didn't touch, so our entry cannot be taken here. Let's leave it here, and let's look at next trade where we get it. Here on 2nd December. Okay, this is a sell trade. Okay, this candle closes below the 200 SMA, and then low of that candle triggers our sell. Once the sell is triggered, wow, what a beautiful run. See, I think you could have made 1:1 profit here. For position traders, you have to hold it, and the next day you could have made a huge profit here. Not bad. Okay, sometimes this is a trendy market, so you could have made good profits. In consolidation market, there may be a whipsaws, but at the end of the month you will be still profitable after some minor losses, but you should try to maintain your risk management. Okay, that is the main important thing. Whatever may be the setups, the risk management should be perfect. Until and unless the risk management is not perfect, nobody can make money in stock market. Okay, please try to control your emotions and plan your risk management properly. Okay, this setup can be applied not only in Nifty, it can be applied in Bank Nifty and other high volume stocks. Okay, let me show you one stock with the same setup. Okay, let's take SBI. Okay, see SBI 5-minute 200 way moving average. Okay, the setup remains same, the strategy, entry, exit, stop loss remains same. Okay, let's take here from here. See, in 27 it opened about 200 SMA. So the second candle is our buy trigger candle. The first candle high should be broken, the second candle broke it, so it got triggered here, and we are keeping it. The intraday traders can book it for 1:1 or 1:2 targets with the stop loss of this range 331. Entry is around 334 and the stop loss is 330 to 331. This is the major support zone. Okay, the positional traders can hold it with a trailing stop loss. Okay, that setup, and where we get the next setup here on 24th December SL setup. Those entered here can book it 1:1 target, and positional traders can hold it with a trailing stop loss for a stop loss of 335. Okay, this is the setup. Okay, I think you got how the setup works. Okay, let's look at how many trades do we get for this setup in a single stock for a single month. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is a minor profit, but let's assume it as a loss. Let's assume this is a loss trade. Okay, 4, which is also loss trade. 5, 6, 7, this is loss, minor loss. 8, this is also loss trade. 9, after a big consolidation it gave a great move. Okay, this is good. Yeah, this one. 10, a good consolidation near 200 SMA and a beautiful profit. 10, and this is a small buy which is a loss. 11, this one. Yeah, this is 12, buy setup and small profit. 13, small loss. This one. 14, 15, 1:1 or 1:2 good profit, and 16. Okay, we got 16 trades on December month. Okay, in that we had around 2, 3, 4, 5, around 5 to 6 trades loss. Okay, let's assume our SL got it for 2 rupees. Let's calculate it. 2 into 3000, which is a lot of SBI futures, is equal to 6000. So the loss trades are making 6000 rupees loss. So totally out of 16, it's 6 trades were lost, and the total is equal to 36,000 rupees we lost in 6 losing trades. Okay, and the rest 10 trades were winning trades. Okay, so we got a 10 winning trades. So here if you are losing 2 rupees on losing trades, the winning trades would be 1:1 or 1:2. So for an average purpose we can calculate it as 4 rupees. Okay, let's assume some trades will be 1:2 or some trades will be 1:5, where we get a good rally like this here. See, this trades would give us 1:5 Okay, for an average, let's keep it as 4. Okay, 4 into 3000, which is a lot of SPI, will be 12,000. So 12,000 into 10 are our winning trades. Let's multiply it. So our winning amount will be 1,20,000. In this we should minus the 6 losing trades. Total, that is 36,000. Okay, and that would be 84,000 is the net profit that we are making just by trading in a single lot for the entire December series. Okay, that's not a bad, that's really not bad, by using a very simple setup of 200 SMA. Okay, this is not a bad returns for a monthly. Okay, I think hope you got the strategy very clear. Okay, anyway, thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, and please share, subscribe, and please support my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye.